सा honorable dignitaries,
supportive staff,
illustrious seniors,
spirited juniors,
my fellow graduates,
and the proud family and friends.
good morning to one and all.
I am Dr. Adarsh.
And I am Dr. Srishti.
Together with Dr. Vasudha and Dr. Prahalad, we will be your hosts for today's event.
Graduation is not the end, it's only the beginning. It is an exhilarating time which brings back a dozen of warm memories of the past and shows dreams for the future.
Capacity to learn is a gift, ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is the choice, and we are all here because of the choices we made 5 years ago. Finally, the day is here and the time is now.
We welcome you all to Summer Dreams 2020, the convocation ceremony of the 91st batch of MMCNRI ICAS.
On this auspicious day, as we start out a new phase of our professional lives, we would like to request Dr. Gurudarshan to please come on stage and invite the Almighty.
Doctors are regarded as God by some, but we are mere instruments in the hands of God to serve the mankind. And for this, we seek the blessings of the Almighty. Dr. Gurudarshan, can we please have you on stage?
भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वान्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वम् अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वमिन्द्रस्त्वमग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरोम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम्.
Thank you, Guru Darshan. Our journey has definitely begun on a divine note.
Now we would like to request Dr. Chandrasekhar Sir, Secretary of Mysore Alumni Association, to welcome the gathering.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, distinguished faculty members of Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, members of Mysore Medical College Alumni Association, and today's stars of today's ceremony, that is students of 2014 batch of Mysore Medical College and their parents and family members and friends and all other students of Mysore Medical College. It's an immense pleasure to me to be with you today to the ceremony of graduation day of 2014 batch of MMCRI, because I am present here as a teacher and also an alumni of this prestigious and oldest and a first medical college of Karnataka. This is one of the best parts of my job, to participate in this joyful occasion. This day is about you and what you have achieved through hard work and determination and moment of creative inspiration. Graduation is a time to imagine your future. When you think of the road ahead, you may gain perspective by looking back to where you have been. As you begin a new stage in your life, you are confident that you can and you will make a difference like thousands of MMCRI graduates who have gone before you. You possess the knowledge and skill that are conferred by an excellent education. With this small introduction, and the Mysore Medical College Alumni Association, in association with the college, this graduation day was started. Earlier, the college used to come under universities like Mysore University and other universities. And when Rajiv Gandhi University was started, Health University, the respective colleges have started their graduation day. During the time, Mysore Medical College Alumni Association, with Mysore Medical College, they have started this graduation day. Since then, Alumni Association is part and parcel of this graduation day. I would like to welcome our Dean and Director of College, Dr. Nanjaraj, for accepting to preside over the function. I welcome, sir. Next, I would like to invite our chief guest, Dr. Santosh Hegde, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, for gracefully accepting our invitation and willing to be a part of this joyful and occasion that our college will cherish for years to come. I'd also like to welcome our principal, Dr. Dakshayani, for always gracious us with their warm presence. Next, I would also like to extend my warm welcome to Dr. Prasanna Shankar, the President of Mysore Medical College Alumni Association. Dr. Dinesh, the Student Welfare Officer of I welcome Dr. Shobha, Teacher Association President in her absence. And I invite all the Executive Committee members of Mysore Medical College Alumni Association for choosing to honor our graduates with their esteemed presence. I would also like to welcome Dr. Padmanabha CVS, the General Secretary of 2014 batch, for this joyous occasion. I would like to welcome the backbone of our Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, the faculty of our college, both the teaching as well as the non-teaching staff, without whose anchorship the MMCRI would not be what it is today. Coming to our star of today's ceremony, the graduates, that is class of 2014. Welcome you all, and day you have all dreamed. I have been dreaming since the very first day of your foot into this college, aspiring to be a doctor. This is the day where your dream came true. Welcome you all. This day would not be possible without all the parents of our graduates and guardians, relatives of these meritorious students standing behind them, guiding through each and every obstacles, supporting them through thick and thin. This is a dream come true for parents too. I welcome all of you for this ceremony. And last but not the least, I would like to welcome our media friends and press, and also all the donors and patrons of prizes for academic excellence. So on this note, let's begin the function without further delay. And one more thing, graduation should never mean goodbye. Congratulations class of 2014, and my very best wishes to all of you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Dr. S. Chandrasekhar, Secretary of Mysore Alumni Association, for welcoming the dignitaries on the dais and everyone present here. We heartily welcome you, sir, to this program. Vasudha, that never fails, which begins in God's name.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಸತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ್. ಆದಿಕಾಲದಿಂದಲೂ ಮನುಕುಲ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು ಕತ್ತಲಿನಿಂದ ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ, ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕಡೆಗೆ, ಮೃತ್ಯುವಿನಿಂದ ಅಮೃತತ್ವದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೆದೊಯ್ಯಲು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಳಕು ಅದ್ವೈತ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ದೀಪಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ವವಿದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೀಪಂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ದೀಪಂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಜನಾರ್ದನ, ದೀಪಂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ತಮೋಪಹಂ, ದೀಪೇನ ಹರತಿ ಪಾಪಾನಿ, ದೀಪೇನ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಸರ್ವಂ, ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ದೀಪಂ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಎಂದಿರುವುದು.
ಮಂಗಳಕರವಾದ ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನಾತಕ ದಿನದ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಶುಭ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನು ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I now request the dignitaries on the dais to formally inaugurate Summer Dreams 2020 by lighting the traditional lamp. I request the gathering to stand up for the lamp lighting ceremony.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ.
Secretary Dr. Padmanabh CBS deliver the batch report.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Shri N. Chandrasekhar sir, and other distinguished dignitaries on and after the dais. It gives a great honor to speak on behalf of my batch of 2K14 ICAS. Thank you all for this true privilege. Congratulations, my fellow batchmates, batch of 2K14. Today marks an achievement of a milestone in our journey. But remember, a milestone never shows the distance we already traveled. It always shows the distance to be traveled. You would have not been here today had it not been for the tireless effort and dedication of all those who made it possible. Thank you, my dearest Mysore Medical College, faculty, staff, postgraduates, and last but not the least, our dear friends and family, for their unconditional supports in our journey and transforming us, our dream into reality, transforming us from students to clinicians. Today, 5.5 years of our journey comes to an end. It's time of promise to excellence, commitment and service. It's moment like this that marks our long journey worthwhile. While seeing the proud faces of our parents. First year started off with a blast with our first ice-breaking event, Socials, organized under the leadership of Dr. Swarnalakshmi and Dr. Aditya. Memories we made in the batch trip and ethnic day of our second year are still crystal clear in our memories. For this, we give credit to all those who participated wholeheartedly in the organization under the leadership of Dr. Varun Chitturi, Dr. Ansel Thomas Matthew, Dr. Diana, Dr. Denzia. Coming to the event where all the athletes, sportsmen of MMC got their due recognition, Krida 17. This was made possible under the captaincy of Dr. Arsha, our sports secretary, when MMC first saw inaugural nights. Event which united every icon, everyone flaunted the artists, musicians, speakers, quizzers in them. Samskruti 17. A grand success. It was graced by Rocking Star Ash, IPS officer Ravi D. Channanavar and Chandan Shetty. This could have not been such a blockbuster without unending efforts of all icons under the guidance of our cultural secretary, Dr. Chetan Gowda BS. All fun and no work is not how we do it here. Many academic events were organized under the leadership of Dr. Samruddhi, our academic secretary. Final year got us all buried in our books, but the college events did not take a back seat. Seeking the blessings of Ganesha and working with our blood and sweat to please the Almighty. Ganesha festival in both the hostels were enjoyed by all under the leadership of Dr. Manjunath and Dr. Sanjana in their respective hostels. Our batch launched magazine Mastishka when the Shakespeare's, Kuvempu's and Da Vinci's of our batch showcased their talents with their literary stuff. All credit goes to Dr. Vazil and Dr. Sneha for their execution. Kannada Rajyotsava was flagged off with a grand procession of Devi Bhuneshwari Devi. An occasion was graced by Justice Ari. Events showcased Kannada literature and culture in the limelight. Kannada Secretary Dr. Aman deserves complete credits for his efforts. We learned the quality of acceptance, tolerance, adaptability, and most importantly, true compassion, which I think are the most important key for being a doctor. Friends, the day has come, the day we need to be true warriors in the care of patients. Let's not just be doctors, but true healers. Every thank we receive is a permanent badge of honor. Every smile we draw on hopeless faces makes the world a better place. From now on, let's not blame the system as we have become part of it. We must strive harder to make the system a better place. With every step, we must remain true to our profession and generate new knowledge and pass it on to next generations. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Padmanabha, for acknowledging the contributions of people who have facilitated the most memorable journey.
He also remains the key architect of the fruitful endeavors of Summer Dreams and IKEAs, without whose efforts the ship wouldn't have left the shore, let alone sail so majestically.
As Aeschylus has rightly said, it is not the oath that makes us believe the man, but the man the oath.
Now, it is the critical moment of taking the imperative oath instituted by the father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, which forms the bedform of every doctor's professional ethics and integrity.
Now we request Dr. Dakshayani ma'am, Principal of MMC and RI, to administer the oath to the new graduates.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Please put your hands forward and take the oath. I solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to the service of humanity. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of my patients will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confined in me even after the patient has died. I will maintain by all the means in my power the honor and the noble tradition of the medical profession. My colleagues will be my brothers and sisters. I will not permit considerations of religion, nationality, race, party politics, or social standing to intervene between my duty and my patients. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life from the time of conception. Even under threat, I will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, ma'am. We now call upon Dr. Vasudha and Dr. Prahalad to proceed with the next event.
We are here now to introduce the chief guest for the Summer Dreams 2020.
ಹುಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಯಾರೂ ಮಾನವರಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಜೀವನದ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಯುವಾಗ ಮಾನವನಾಗಿ ಸತ್ತರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಗೌರವ ಬೇರೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಅರ್ಥಗರ್ಭಿತ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸಾರುತ್ತಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಗಲಿರುಳು ಶ್ರಮಿಸುವ ಮೇರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಇರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವೇ ಸರಿ. ಹೌದು, ಅವರೇ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ವಿರೋಧಿ, ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಪಾದಕ, ನೇರ ನುಡಿ ದಿಟ್ಟ ನಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆಯವರು.
The chief guest for Summer Dreams 2020 today is Honorable Justice Santosh Kumar Hegde, a pioneer crusader against corruption in public life.
ಶ್ರೀಯುತರು 16 ಜೂನ್ 1940ರಂದು ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ನಿಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಕೆ.ಎಸ್. ಹೆಗಡೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಹೆಗಡೆಯವರ ಸುಪುತ್ರರಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಆರಂಭಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸೇಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹಾಗೂ ಮದ್ರಾಸಿನ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರೈಸಿದರು. ತಮ್ಮ ಪದವಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತರು ಕಾನೂನು ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ಇವರು ಕಾಲೇಜು ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಟಗಾರರಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅನೇಕ ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸಿದ್ದರು.
Justice Santosh Kumar Hegde has held several offices during his illustrious career and has very efficiently managed them. He joined the Bar Council 1966 and was appointed as a Solicitor General of India in 1998. He is the only one from Karnataka to be elevated to this post.
1999ರಿಂದ 2005ರವರೆಗೂ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಇವರು 2006ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತರಾಗಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸಮರವನ್ನೇ ಸಾರಿದರು. ಇವರ ದಕ್ಷ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಆಡಳಿತದಲ್ಲಿ 750ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸಿದೆ. ಅಕ್ರಮ ಗಣಿ ಹಗರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಭಾರೀ ಮೋಸವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ನಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ತಂದವರು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆಯವರು.
After demitting the office of Karnataka Lokayukta, he joined the India Against Corruption movement of Anna Hazare in 2011. He was instrumental in the creation of Jan Lokpal Act. ಇವರ ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಗೆ 10 ಹಲವು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು ಇವರನ್ನು ಅರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿವೆ. 2010-11ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, 2010ರಲ್ಲಿ NDTVಯ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರೂಸೇಡರ್ ಗೌರವ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಸೀತಾರಾಮ್ ಜಿಂದಾಲ್ ಗೌರವ, ಚುಂಚಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಹಂಪಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ನಾಡೋಜ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಸಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
His generosity is borne by the fact that he donated the entire purse of rupees 1 crore from his S.R. Jindal Prize for Exemplary Human Being to Sainik Welfare Fund India, which caters to the needs of ex-servicemen. He has also received honorary doctorates from Mangalore University, KSOU Mysore University, Tumkur University, Karnataka Law University and Alliance University.
Even after his retirement, this gentleman continues to provide service to the society. He is continuing to inculcate the qualities of peace, harmony and morals into the present day youth by visiting more than 1,900 schools and colleges across the country and spreading awareness about the growing violence, unrest and corruption in the society.
ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಸ್ಥ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದ ಸಮಾಜ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಎಂಬ ಇವರ ಮೌಲ್ಯಯುತ ಬೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಯುವ ಜನರು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಮೇರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಸಕಲ ಆದರ್ಶಗಳನ್ನು ಯುವ ಜನರಾದ ನಾವು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸತ್ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗೋಣ.
I now request the dignitaries to felicitate and honor our chief guest, Justice Santosh Kumar Hegde.
Once upon a time, on an August morning in 2014, there came together a group of students hoping to be doctors of tomorrow.
It was a strange amalgam of students from the length and breadth of the country.
All of them a little excited, a little anxious, huddled under one roof, the dissection hall.
As a unique concept of table mates developed, the drama unfolded.
Anxious moments disappeared, everybody made friends.
Dissection hours became munching sessions. Chemistry began to evolve in biochem labs, and many a frogs turned out to be Princess Charming. Life was limited to pond ornithology.
The micro world full of pathos and the drugs of choice, cramomycin and slogomycin, were popularly prescribed, and they had their toxic effects too.
The journey through the eyes and ears was interesting, and yet they knew that prevention of diseases could leave them jobless.
Now, they'll be incising through surgery, deciphering heartbeats in medicine, bringing new life into the world in OBG.
Finally, they stand, inspired and united, ready to step into the big world to face new challenges, but always carrying with them
Those everlasting moments they share together.
I now request our chief guest, guests of honor and the dignitaries on the stage to bless them in the future endeavors by presenting them the convocation certificates.
This part of the event will be hosted by Dr. Pujita and Dr. Priyanka S. and team. Thank you.
Morning everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
This handsome hunk here is the heartthrob of MMC with zero compromise towards fitness and health. He is the covalent bond in every friend circle, holding on to each element with equal love. He plans far ahead, at the same time he knows how to enjoy the moment. Let's call up on stage universal favorite man, son of Mr. Gangadhar and Mrs. Asha, Dr. Abhinav CG.
a non-stop entertainment when he is here. Carefree being, enthusiastic, social-free spirit who can always find a reason to make everybody around him laugh. Let's welcome son of Mr. Gangadharappa and Mrs. Nirmala BT, Dr. Abhishek Ji.
The smart, curious thinker with a solution for everything is an extremely caring and a responsible gem of a person who is unbelievably understanding and open-minded. He is highly observant and has an amazing sense of style and tries to stay up to date on things. He is unsurpassed at managing things and is an amazing orator. Please welcome son of Mr. Shivram B and Mrs. Jyoti Shivram, Dr. Adarsh S.
Plain but ambitious. Phone is her best friend when humans aren't around. Straightforward, sweet and kindly spirited, fearless, fabulous girl. Here we present you the sleeping beauty, daughter of Mr. Chikaramaya and Mrs. Siddha Gangamma T.S., Dr. Aishwarya C.
This girl from 2K14 who gets your attention with her long flowing hair and the smile of a kid is an amazing photographer, a perfectionist who's loved by all, whose vocabulary is unbeatable. She's a Chota powerhouse and a queen of love letter writing. We call upon daughter of H.N. Satya Prakash and Mrs. Dr. K.L. Lokeshwari, Dr. Aishwarya S.
Extraordinarily caring, social, workaholic, popular for her hospitality, an extrovert who can always count on and would never say no to any favor you ask. With boundless talents, let's welcome daughter of Mr. Ramesh and Mrs. Namrata, Dr. Akshata R.
Next up, we have our ex-Kannada secretary who always has a smile on his face and stays calm in any situation. Who is well known for his quick and witty responses and his lean but stellar presence. Has fans all over for his fabulous oration. Let's welcome son of Mr. Nazir Ahmad and Mrs. Rihanna, Dr. Aman.
Quiet and mystical with lot of potential but very shy and down to earth, energetic and perceptive of situations. Let's welcome son of Mr. Ramesh CP and Mrs. Sunita, Dr. Amar.
This very tall, bold athlete known for his love for football is a practical and fact-minded patriot whose reliability cannot be doubted. All the PG's favorite intern who is very dedicated towards his work. Let's call upon son of Dr. Sangamesh A. Patil and Srimati Leelavati S. Patil, Dr. Amaresh S. Patil.
Person of jovial nature, Pakka vegetarian, a good defensor and a self-reliant, dedicated and determined to be a good doctor. Let's welcome son of Mr. Yogendranath Patak and Mrs. Sudha Devi, Dr. Amit Kumar Patak.
This shy, silent guy from North Karnataka is known for his punctuality, discipline and a sense of idealism and morality. He is goal-oriented and studious and very soft-spoken. Let's welcome son of Mr. Ashok Biradar and Mrs. Anasuya, Dr. Amogh S. Biradar.
Dancer, loves to travel, always ready to explore and experience something new. Foodie who loves to sleep. Strong and independent, handles any situations ably. Here we welcome daughter of Mr. Manmada Nair SP and Mrs. Shashikala, Dr. Amrita.
A classical dancer with a passion for art, whose OCD for hygiene and perfection is extensive. In spite of the need to travel such long distance every day, she is pretty punctual and a person who is dependable. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. Jayarama and Mrs. Shaila, Dr. Amrita AJ.
She is super cute, caring, always ready to help, full of energy and crazy ideas, who is truly enjoy living on the edge, who is known for her passion for dance. So let's welcome daughter of Mr. Lakshmana and Mrs. Manjula, Dr. Amrita, Dr. Amulya.
This energetic, charming girl with the voice of an angel who's always up for any new quest is the definition of politeness. She is a dancer, a poet, a fashionista, a travel enthusiast, and the list goes on. We welcome daughter of Mr. Gopinath Bhatt and Dr. Chandrakala Bhatt, Dr. Ananya G. Bhatt. Next we call Dr. Rakshita and Dr. Sanjay to call upon the graduates.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
A man of many interests, Mozart on keyboard, drawn easily towards great music and to greater food, and has an infectious knack for good vibes. A man built of morals and principles, and easily the sweetest soul in the room. I now call upon Dr. Ansel Thomas Matthew, son of Anil Matthew and Salima Mampali.
To the biggest fan of GOT, winner of all arguments, man of his words, king of ethics, man of responsibilities, all hail the king of men with beards, Shivamaggada Shura, Ellara Hrudaya Gedda Chora. Let's welcome son of Mr. Anantamurthy and Mrs. Pavitra, Dr. Anup Kumar.
Now to a Kannur boy who's in love with sports, movies and food. Quick-witted in nature, and his one-liners can make anyone laugh uncontrollably. His attitude and charisma makes him stand out amongst our batchmates. I now call upon Dr. Anurag, son of Pramesh, upon to the stage.
Next up is a pretty lady, soft-spoken and a little reserved, a girl of many talents, well known for her amazing handwriting, or rather called her human printer. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. Vasu and Mrs. Malleshwari, Dr. Aparna on the stage.
She isn't your everyday girl, frequently dozes off into her dreamland, super moody, adventurous, witty and a girl with plan, to the coolest nerd in the world. It's now time to call upon daughter of Dr. Prasanna and Dr. Pushpa, Dr. Apurva.
This girl is very sportive, a true fitness freak, fun, talkative and a caring person. She finds a way to swim through everybody's heart. Let's welcome international swimming champion, daughter of Mr. Nagesh S. and Mrs. Shri Vidya, Dr. Ashita Bharadwaj on the stage.
To a kind soul hailing from Wayanad, who's willing to help everyone. His mannerisms and talkative nature makes it difficult for anyone to fault him. His innocent nature, matched with his zeal and enthusiasm to work and treat patients, is second to none. Traveling is in his heart and never misses a chance to go on trip. It's time for Dr. Ashwin John, son of Johnny and Lissy. To the lady with strong opinion, can get as serious as she can get funny. Adorable like a cupcake. You don't have to mess up with her unless you really have to. It's now time to call upon daughter of Unni Krishnan and Sheba, Dr. Athena.
To the one who says yes for anything, who is always there to help anyone. Doctor turned artist, the gentleman, the obvious cocoa master, the man loved by all. Let's welcome son of Mr. Krishnamurthy V and Mrs. Varalakshmi R, Dr. Avinash VK on the stage.
Guy turned extrovert, needs a constant entertainment, was always late to postings, but to this guy hailing from a small town, becoming a doctor was not that easy. He lives his life on just one rule, that there should be no rules. It's now time to call upon son of Sangappa and Shankarama, Dr. Basuraj Basri.
She is a girl with happy face and unmatched level of craziness, soft-spoken and innocent to the world, but flamboyant among friends. Miss Butterfingers, she makes her house a home, popularly known as BJ. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. Jagdish and Mrs. Nagaratna, Dr. Bhavana Jagdish on stage. Happy-go-lucky girl lives in the moment with no worries about past or the future. Generosity is something everyone needs to learn from her. She is an inspiration to leave the past and move on and make the best out of whatever is coming. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. Prem Shankar and Mrs. Anupama, Dr. Bhavana MP on stage.
Silent being isn't so silent after all. His golden heart and a hard-working ethic, this man waits for no one. He's the most humble and the sweet person, and the one who will not stop until every hurdle is crossed. This is son of Naganath Biradar and Jagadevi, Dr. Hemant Biradar.
He is is a girl who dreams in colors borrowed from the sea. This woman is a true dreamer. As a doctor, she is the best. As a friend, she is rock. And to those who don't know her, she is a mystery. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. George Jacob and Mrs. Shiny George, Dr. Catherine George on the stage.
This brainy, hailing from Hassan, always wears a broad smile on his face, loves adventures and motorbikes. He always keeps his people happy with his never-ending laughing sessions. Chai runs in his vein and a big movie buff. Traveling is in his heart and never misses a chance to go out. It's time for son of Kumar Swami and Bharati, Dr. Chandan UK.
I now call Dr. Manisha and Dr. Yasin to continue.
Comes our very own Dukesman who doesn't fail to impress with his sarcastic talks. He's the one whom you can approach without any hesitation. He's super likable and doesn't give up on things easily. This is to just start with. Describing him becomes endless. Let's welcome the son of Mr. Nemya Nayak and Mrs. Lakshmi, Dr. Chandrasekhar Chavan on stage.
Terrific student, and he carries every action with 100% commitment. He is an amalgamation of knowledge and fun. He has a master degree in cracking PJs, and he can only survive on ice creams. He is adorable for his innocence. So let's welcome Charan.
Be a surgeon who is caring and kind. The only thing that lets this talkative person silent is loud music and long drives. Let's welcome son of Mr. Basavaraju and Mrs. Vishalakshi, Dr. Chetan KB on stage.
The world is his dream board, and his tenacity to live life and his passion for this profession will inspire anyone who meets him. He is a friend no one deserves and a doctor everyone does. So let's welcome son of Mr. Shivananjay Gowda and Mrs. Vimala, Dr. Chetan Gowda on the stage, please.
Crazy and adventurous, loves traveling, wants to see nook and corner of the world. Car is his home. He dances funny like no one is watching. Too fast in his action. Let's welcome our Mangalore Hudga, son of Mr. Ramakrishna and Mrs. Shamala, Dr. Dikshit Devasya on stage.
Literally everyone's darling, and he's a hourglass. He has time for everybody and is as calm as an ocean. In a world full of potatoes, probably he would be the sweetest of all. And he's an ustad in expressing the unsaid words. So let's welcome son of Mr. Dhanasegaran and Mrs. Uma Maheshwari, Dr. Deepak on the stage, please.
She's that girl you'll think about 10 years from now when you'll tell funny stories about your friend's name being butchered. If she has goals to achieve, she's the one, the most determined and tenacious people you'll see. She has penchant for cleanliness. She is a very likable person, not without a reason. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. Thampi and Mrs. Lissy, Dr. Densia Rons Thampi on stage, please.
The kid with the stud has now grown up to be a stud himself. He is kind and is a friend of everyone. He has won everyone's heart by his singing. Let's welcome Mama's boy, son of Mr. Latesh MP and Mrs. Nanda Latesh on the stage. Dr. Dhanush on the stage, please.
This fashion designer is super cool and brave. She is a person you can count on. She's pure foodie by heart, always curious with shiny marble eyes. But punctuality matters a lot to her. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. Shama Prasad and Mrs. Jayashree, Dr. Diksha Devasya on stage.
She walks the earth freely, and when you meet her, you will recognize her for who she is. She's a free spirit and a wandering star, a heart full of love and a mind full of stories to tell. So let's welcome the sweetheart daughter, daughter of Mr. Ravi Mani and Mrs. Uma Ravi, Dr. Divya on the stage, please.
She is the super cool, smart and free soul. No matter what obstacle comes, she handles with a smile. She is the go-to person in case of trouble and tension. She is a super mom. Let's welcome daughter of Francis Thomas and Rajamoli Thomas, mother of Hagen Judabai and wife of Abhay Augustine, Dr. Evelyn Francis on stage, please.
She's simple, she's curious, she's needful and is rapidly humorous. And also, she's a singer and a dancer too. She's the greatest collateral and a friend everyone needs. Please welcome daughter of Mr. Jay Prakash and Mrs. Girija, Dr. Gayatri on the stage, please.
He is the one who is known for his hairstyle and dressing sense. He has mastered the art of reading at lightning speed. Presenting you the man with strongest will, kindest heart, purest soul. Let's welcome the macho in the town, son of Mr. Jagadish and Mrs. Vijayalakshmi, Dr. Gauri Mata Sharad on stage, please.
A simple living girl with high thinking policy. She is known for her rational thinking, and only witty people get her sense of humor. Novels and badminton are her love. Let's welcome daughter of Mr. Jim George and Mrs. Jijama George, Dr. Grishma Jim on the stage, please.
From a badminton stalwart to an entertaining trip partner, this guy is all that and more. Always a jovial person to hang around with, not to forget a beautiful soul and a wonderful friend whose passion for life always runs on high. Please welcome the son of Mr. Satyanarayan and Mrs. Mangala, Dr. Gurudarshan on stage, please.
Next we call upon Aman and Aishwarya.
Next up, we have a true Kochi boy in the flesh. From the slang to the attitude, he oozes confidence wherever he goes. It does not go without saying that his blood bleeds yellow and heart beats for MSD. A foodie in the truest sense, he is the kind of guy who searches for restaurants while others go in search of viewpoints. Son of KJ Anthony and CC, please let's welcome Dr. Halley on the dais.
Next up, an absolute all-rounder and superstar of the 2K14 batch. Be it academics, sports or culturals, he does it all. This ex-sports secretary really is the pride of our batch with his dedication towards his goal being unmeasurable. Hailing from Tumkuru just like his name, always wears a brilliant smile on his face. A super athlete, a fitness freak whose zeal for learning never fades. Please welcome the most beloved sports secretary MMC has ever seen, son of Mr. Prakash and Miss Indramma, Dr. Harsha.
Next up, we have a girl who deceives everyone with her soft voice, who covers up her silly mistakes with a puppy face and thinks she can get away with it, which she absolutely does. She can hibernate for days, but also can keep going for days together without sleep. Please welcome the cute doctor of our batch, Dr. Harshita Herle, daughter of Dr. Bhaskar Herle and Dr. Shobha Herle.
Now we have a guy whose patience will make you impatient. There's always an eternal misleading smile etched on his face which makes you think he is the most innocent of them all, but nothing stops him once he becomes determined. A die-hard fan of Christopher Nolan, he is the kindest, coolest doctor of our batch who can't say no to the needy and who carries the innocence of kid. Let's welcome Dr. Indu Shekhar, son of Mr. Chandrasekhar and Miss Girija.
Next up, we have the movie geek of our batch, who can quote dialogues from any movie in her sleep. Her friends are a true testament to her fabulous cooking. A reserved, well-mannered and a shy person, but you'll never find a more supportive friend. The girl with an ever-curious mind, please let's welcome Dr. Jane Susan Viji, daughter of Viji K. Tattampuram and Bindu Viji. Next, we have the daughter of Dr. Gange Gowda, HB and Bharati. She is a girl who's got amazing dance moves 24/7, always standing up for rights without battling an eyelid. She's so good at cooking despite having a tiny appetite herself. With the will of a team leader, she has to her credits of having managed many events of our batch successfully. Let's welcome Dr. Kavyashree on stage.
Now let's welcome the kind-hearted guy with a million friends, the foodie among the guys, the one person you can count on no matter what situation you are in. You will always find him laughing any time of the day. He might have a squint in his eye, but his heart is in the right place. Let's welcome the guy who's the most fun to be around, the most gregarious guy of 2K14 batch, Dr. Kiran Kumar Meti, son of Mallana Gowda Meti and Satamma Meti.
She is kind but clever, and perhaps that's what draws people to her. She always helps others to fix whatever needs fixing. Don't underestimate her short stature, for she's a fierce and independent woman who can shock you with her intellect and vocabulary. A travel freak with a contagious smile that lights up everyone around her. Daughter of Kukashekar Reddy and Radhika, let's have on stage Dr. Kokanti Sai Surmi.
Here comes the true rider, just like everyone from Mualapula. Ernakulam is one of the, if not the best riders in MMC. Soft-spoken towards people, but strong at heart. His hidden quality lies in his maturity to handle tough situations and come out triumphantly, a silent leader if you may. His ability to foresee shortcomings and create solutions is truly one of his best qualities. So please welcome on the dais son of Mr. S.M. Naidu and Miss Vimala, Dr. Krishna Priyan.
One of the most hard-working people of 2K14, be it working to make an IKEA 7 successful or helping her colleagues to making their job easier. She is one of the most generous human beings you'll ever come across. Some among her other traits include being a cleanliness freak, singing at the top of her lungs, but you'll always find her enjoying a good laugh with her dazzling smile. Please welcome Dr. Leah Biju, daughter of Thomas and Pushpa Biju.
Everyone thinks of our next candidate as a soft-spoken person who is a bit shy as well. But once he gets comfortable with you, there's no stopping him. Very few know of his hidden talent, that is his super awesome vocabulary. He can line up words together like string cheese. Born to the couple, Mr. Devaraju and Miss Padma, please welcome the shy guy, always found wearing pastels, Dr. Lohita TD. Having a personality as attractive as his name, an amazing cricket player and a die-hard fan of MSD. This local Hudga is very caring and empathetic towards his patients, and his quest for knowledge is never ending. He has quite the fan following for his sweet demeanor and that everlasting smile. Please welcome Dr. Madhu Chandra, son of Mr. Dandaya and Miss Ratnamma on stage, please.
Having 2 doctors for parents, she is a part of a twin, which means she is double the awesome. She is one of the few sweetest souls you'll ever meet, one of the few people who knows what it is to be a friend. Her friends will vouch for her. Consider all your problems gone if she is your friend, for she is at your beck and call to make your life easier. Daughter of Doctors Satyananda and Usha HR, let's welcome Dr. Mahita CS on stage.
Words to describe Manasa: impressive, impressive and impressive. You'll never guess that behind that shy exterior there lies a chatterbox with such an open mind. Dazzling people with her very rarely seen smile, there's a determined girl lying just beneath the surface you have to barely scratch. Daughter of Mr. Brahmanandam V and Ratnamma V, let's welcome Dr. Manasa B. Anand on stage, please.
The last minute exam savior because her teaching skills are legendary. The girl with the best life advices and who can crack jokes at the drop of a pen. A major sweet tooth, she is as amazing as they come. Daughter of Satyanarayana and Shakuntala, please welcome Dr. Manisha Alapati on stage.
Now I would like to call Dr. Akshata and Dr. Amruta to call upon the graduates.
Next we have a guy with charm who is stubborn and crazy in life. Friends ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಥ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಡಿ. He is the proud son of Basavaraj Tatsad and Renuka Tatsad. Here we have Dr. Manjunath Tatsad.
Now we have a guy who is a workaholic, seen working away in all our college programs, one who is always ready to help others in need, the mastermind behind our yearbook, the son of Sumaya Ibrahim, Dr. Mohammad Wazil.
The person we are calling next is a good dancer, an ambitious and a well-determined friend, a gym freak, and an Appu fan through and through. He is the proud son of Dodda Timmaya and Devamma. Here is Dr. Mohan Kumar D.
Next we have M. Andre multi-talented, M. Andre motorbike, M. Andre Michael Jackson, the MJ of our batch, the passionate photographer, none other than son of Shivkumar and Bharti, Dr. Mohan Kumar KS.
Next we have here our chatterbox. ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಟೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಲವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಗರತ್ನ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮ್ರತಾ ಎನ್.
ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ದ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್, ಮೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತದ್ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಓನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನಿಸ್ಟಾ ಟರ್ನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, daughter of Prem Singh Naik and Annapurna Naik, Dr. Nayana.
Next, we have our zero drama, zero gossip girl, a person who is brutally honest, a foodie, a doctor by profession, and a photographer by heart. And she is the proud daughter of Anant and Anjana Kulkarni. Here, this is Dr. Nidhi Kulkarni.
He's studious, he's focused, our very own humble politician, the forever topper of our batch, son of Vishakante Gowda and Lalita, Dr. Nitin Gowda, AV.
Next, we have a person whose presence makes everything seems better. A person who is true to himself, unapologetic and unwavering. A person we can count on. He is proud son of Muhammad and Maryam. Here is Dr. Nuzwan Titi.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಿರ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಹಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಗಳ ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ರಿಲಯಬಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಓನ್ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲವೆಡ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವನಮಾಲಾ KS, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ CVS.
Now here is a self-sufficient, ambitious but realistic witty workaholic who is none other than the proud daughter of Balwant Singh and Babita Malik. Here is Dr. Pooja Gatwala.
Next up, we have the smart cookie of our class. He's an epitome of wisdom, an amazing violinist, a passionate doctor, and a true gentleman. He's the son of Rajshekhar and Veena, Dr. Prahalad DR.
Next, we call our Mandyada Gandu an excellent dancer and a good sportsman and a person who says no to the one in need. And he is the proud son of Javaraya and M. Pushpa. Here we have Dr. Prakash S.J.
Now we have our very own hyperactive kid who is mature when you need her, brainy but humble, a person with a strong personality. And she is the daughter of Prakash Kudva and Pragna Kudva, Dr. Pratiksha Kudva.
Next, we have the chick magnet of our batch, an easily approachable super witty, a techie who became a doctor, literally everyone's best friend. And he is the proud son of Nirmala and Dr. L. Ravichandran. Here we have Dr. Praveen Kumar R.
We would like to call upon Dr. Aishwarya S.N. Trupti to announce the next set of graduates.
Thank you, Dr. Akshata and Dr. Amrita. Myself, Dr. Trupti. Myself, Dr. Aishwarya. Along with the graduation certificate, our Ma Alumni Association President is also issuing the Ma Alumni Association ID card.
He is ever enthusiastic, compassionate, ambitious, fun-loving and trustworthy companion. He is also a movie buff, automobile enthusiast and adventure seeker. हम प्यार से उसे सल्लू कहकर बुलाता है. Here we call upon son of Dr. Rautappa and Salutagi and Mrs. Savitri, Dr. Praveen R. Salutagi.
मैं बेफिक्र हूँ, मजोश हो भी जान तो. Even if you haven't seen this face or heard this voice, you will still know her. Between the sand and stardust, collapse and creation, this woman stands strong and confident in herself. She will not to do. There is nothing she isn't good at and nothing she will not to do to achieve her dreams. Here we call upon daughter of Mr. J.N. Sharma and Mrs. Geeta Sharma, Dr. Priyanka.
She is a person with lot of potential but shies away. She has an amazing sense of humor and amazing sense of style. Loves dogs more than she likes people. Every single show of Netflix is streaming, and for the ones they don't even know about, you can use her as a reference. Here we call upon daughter of Mr. Raghunathan Kasi and Mrs. Maheshwari Raghunathan, Miss Silky Hair, Dr. Priyanka Raghunathan.
She is known for being hyperactive and stealing arts with a smile. Fashionista with an OCD for perfection. She brings good mood with a home-cooked good food. A great artist and a dog lover with no dog at home. Daughter of Mr. Sundar and Mrs. Rupa Sundar, the adored one, Dr. Priyanka S.
A medico who believes in his smart work than hard work. Empathetic, kind-hearted teddy bear. Lover boy with witty sense of humor who loves to hog. Somberi Siddha, Big Boss Shona Abhimani. Here we call upon son of Mr. D. Kumaraswamy and Mrs. M. Vijaya, Nambachna, Olle Hudga, Dr. Pujit KV.
The person who looks thin but is a spitfire, one who loves to drive cars. You want updates on current affairs? You want advice on holiday spots? You want any feedback on anything? He is the one. Son of Mr. Srinivasappa and Mrs. Ramya, presenting to you the Kora of MMC, Dr. Rakesh Srinivasappa.
The one with infinite number of friends, one with the most graceful dance moves, one who scares everyone with her loud laughter, one who loves to travel, one who believes smile is her best weapon. Daughter of Mr. G. Venkatesh and Mrs. Renuka, Miss Dancing Doll, Dr. Rakshita V.
Next up we have a gentleman with values, down to earth, always there for his friends and family, up for any plans, anytime, keeps everyone around him joyful, a fan of poetry and history, a man who doesn't make empty promises. He is going to make a great surgeon, one of a kind. Here we call upon son of Mr. Kotilingaya and Mrs. Sulochana, Dr. Ranjit Kumar YK.
A calm, mature, easily approachable and artistic girl, a Potterhead and a avid reader. She is there for you whenever you need her, a pure-hearted soul and a pure-hearted doctor who has bold and strong opinion. Here we call upon daughter of Mr. P.M. Sebastian and Mrs. Anayamma John, Dr. Remy Sebastian.
Next up we have a girl of candid likes and a staggering smile, fancier of books, one who resonates with a new trend. She loves momos. What defines her is her kindness, work ethic and her ability to empathize without judgment. Daughter of Mr. Syed Tariq and Mrs. Saida Aisha, Dr. Safia Hussaini.
Mr. Funny Bone, DJ Freak, Mr. Techie, who is ready with his out-of-box solutions. The Savior, Mr. Calm and Compose, Mr. Bamboo Stick. Here we have son of Mr. Vishwanath Shetty and Mrs. Subhashini V. Shetty, Namma Kudladava, Dr. Samarth V. Shetty.
She seems tough, but in fact, she is a kind loving soul. Dependable, approachable, gets everyone together. The sports champ and an amazing leader. Daughter of Mr. S.G. Venugopal and Mrs. Anita Venugopal. Our beloved academic secretary, Dr. Samruddhi V.
He is someone who never becomes nervous nor tensed. Street smart, super chilled out, jolly kind of guy and the hilarious one of our batch who aspires to treat budding jokers of the world. He is someone who makes people laugh and put smile on others' face. Here we have son of Mr. Rakesh Darbari and Mrs. Preeti Darbari, Dr. Sanchit Darbari.
She is a travel lover, fitness freak, capable of handling any situation, very observant and caring person. Appa Ammana Muddina Magalu. Daughter of Mr. R. Ravichandran and Mrs. Sharada M.N. Our beloved General Secretary of Ladies Hostel, Dr. Sanjana Ravichandran.
One with $1 million smile, he is filled with positivity fueled by caffeine and protein. He is always there for anyone. He loves his family more than anything. He motivates you to be the best you can be. Here we have son of Mr. Sharanagowda and Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi, Dr. Sanjay S. Patil.
Next up we call upon Dr. Usha and Dr. Bhavna Jagdish to continue with the graduates. Thank you. Thank you.